Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and controller. This saves time. Make sure Minecraft is the Bedrock mobile build because that supports gamepad input. Turn on Bluetooth and put the Xbox controller into pairing mode. Press the bind button until the light flashes. On your phone, pair the controller from Bluetooth settings. Once paired, make sure no other controller apps are running as they can block input. Once done, launch Minecraft to detect the controller automatically. Next, you configure controls inside Minecraft so they behave predictably. Open Settings and go to Controller Options. Enable gamepad support and turn on Auto Detect when available so the game reads input immediately. Adjust sensitivity and the look dead zone to eliminate jitter, lower dead zone for precise aiming, higher for drift. If you prefer, plug the Xbox controller with an OTG cable for wired play because wired connections reduce latency. Make sure to save settings before exiting to lock them in. Finally, you test and fine-tune the setup to finish. Launch a single-player world and confirm movement, camera, inventory, and menu inputs work. This verifies bindings and sensitivity. If a button feels off, remap it in controls to match the Xbox layout and save that profile for future use. If the controller is not detected, restart Minecraft, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and reboot the phone. Make sure controller firmware and your OS are updated. That single restart often fixes connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.